Hi everybody. So in today's video, we're just gonna do a follow-up of greatness part 1. I've already done a video regarding greatness, that topic, and I just want to continue with that topic and to dive in deeper into just a few more things that dropped into my spirit and just to share with you guys. So a few days ago, right, I just had this really ugly encounter, and I had to decide in my mind that I'm not gonna let that stop me. It's not gonna decide anything in my life. It's not gonna decide anything in my future. It's not gonna deter me. I had to really start speaking, and then the battles came, and the doubts started pouring in. I felt like I just wanted to kind of quit, like cry. And I heard the Lord say to me that what you do not have, you will not need. Because I was really fighting and questioning with God, like, but I don't have this qualification, and I don't think I'm ready for that, or I don't think that, where you're sending me, I'm qualified to be. And I was really pushing with God a little bit. And when I heard the Lord said to me that if you don't have it, baby girl, you won't need it. So stop worrying yourself. Stop counting yourself out. Stop counting your blessings, throwing away your blessings, because you are discrediting yourself, not believing enough that what you already have. That's it, baby girl. That's it. That's it. You're already qualified by Him, through Him, because of Him. And you need to know that. So I wanted to just share that today. I wanted to allow that to escape my system. I wanted to hear that back in my own ears. And I wanted to pour that into you. That whatever you do not have, you will not need. Focus more so on what you do have. Whatever you have in your capacity, whatever gifts and talents that you already have, that's what you need. And that will be enough for you to step into your greatness, to start applying yourself, to start accessing the success, the breakthrough, the things that we've been praying for and waiting for and seeking God for and fasting and believing for. How about we stop trying to compete with other people who are experiencing their greatness, they're living in their greatness, whatever that is. How about we just come in? Like, this is a time now where I feel like social media and the TikTok and everything that's going on with this virus and the world, society right now is seriously madness. And I want you guys to hear me that this is a time for you to start channeling that greatness, channeling what's inside, put it to use, put the gifts to use, put the ideas to use, put the word of God to use, everything that God has been pouring into you and telling you and leading you, directing you, that this is where you need to go. Listen to that spirit and really believe, so much so that it's gonna happen, that you start working like a mad person for no reason. Even everybody's saying to you, it's time to stay home, you don't need to do anything, you just need to sit down, relax, cock up your foot in your couch and do nothing, just be distracted. No, that is not gonna be you. You're not gonna miss your season. You're not gonna miss your time, because you've wasted the opportunity of being prepared. I just want to encourage you that now's the time to really get prepared. God is really turning around the clock for those who felt like they missed their opportunity, or they're just not gonna get there. They're just not gonna see that day where things are better for them because it's so bad. I'm speaking to you that your time is gonna come, but you gotta stay ready. You gotta stay in that mode of preparedness. You gotta keep working. You gotta keep trusting and praying. It doesn't stop because you're not seeing it, It doesn't stop because you don't see the finish line or you don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. And especially in this time of uncertainty that we're living in, it's so easy to give up. It's so easy to just relax and say, you know what? It's okay. I don't need to keep trying because everything is at a pause right now. But use this time. I'm encouraging you as I'm encouraging myself. Use this time to do the work, to really invest in you, to really start soul searching. If you don't know yet what your purpose is, if you don't already know where you fit, where you belong, where you want to be for your future, I encourage you to start here, thinking about that, praying about that, seeking God about that process and what it takes, the work that you need to start doing in this time, like right now. Don't wait until you have the money. Don't wait until people come. Don't wait for people to push you, nor encourage you, nor lift you up, nor validate you. Like, don't wait for people to approve you for your greatness. You need to realize, see yourself how God sees you. See yourself in the real version of who God says that you are. Don't doubt yourself. Don't beat down on yourself. Don't be harsh on yourself because maybe somebody else is judging you and criticizing you and putting you down. Like, that's them. And if that's what they feel like doing, I want to encourage you to let that out your system. You're gonna reject that. That is not of God. We're not gonna believe any lie from the enemy. Stay focused. Do what you need to do. Follow the word of God. I know that God has approved you for this time. He has called you for such a time as this, and he has approved you. But in order to see the fruition, in order to see the manifestation, you have to be ready. Are you reading? Are you studying? Are you building your mind? Are you building your space? That you need to get to the next level. What are you doing in this time? What work are you putting in now? To get to the next level. And I just want to encourage you to sit back and really trust God in the journey. Trust him in the journey and give God your yes. Give God your yes and keep working towards your greatness. Keep working towards your greatness and you will see it one day. You will see it if you believe that it's in you, if you believe that he has already given you everything you need, then that's all you need. You're already there. You've already completed, half of the battle, which is just to believe that you have everything necessary in here, and you're it. You're it. You're enough. You're enough. So start seeing yourself properly, and just let that sink into your spirit today. I'm gonna leave this video here because I really feel like I've said what I needed to say, and I hope that it connects with you. It connects with who needs to hear this message and who needs to start working, who has not been working and really putting together the necessary things and the necessary preparation that they need to start doing right now. Get on that. So I'll see you guys in the next one.